2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike offers a seamless blend of comfort, performance, and innovative technology that makes it stand out in the world of three-wheeled motorcycles. For long-distance riders, the Trike is more than just a machine, it's a partner for unforgettable journeys. With Honda's long history of producing motorcycles that cater to the touring community, the Gold Wing Trike carries forward that legacy with enhancements designed to improve every aspect of the ride. What sets the 2026 model apart is the refinement Honda has achieved in its ride quality. The integration of a rear three-wheel axle system provides more than just stability, it enhances the Trike's overall balance and handling. It's a feeling of confidence that resonates with riders as they cruise through winding roads or make tight turns at slow speeds. Unlike some Trikes that can feel heavy or cumbersome, the Gold Wing Trike offers a surprising level of maneuverability, making it easy to handle even for those who are not accustomed to three-wheel bikes. This ability to maintain a sporty edge while providing all the stability one would expect from a Trike truly sets this model apart from others on the market. Another key feature of the Gold Wing Trike is its advanced suspension system. Honda's focus on comfort and smoothness extends beyond the plush seat and into the frame. The independent rear suspension ensures that every bump in the road is absorbed with precision, minimizing the jarring effects that can make long rides uncomfortable. Even when loaded with gear, the suspension keeps the ride smooth, which is essential for reducing fatigue on extended trips. Whether you're riding on well-paved highways or less than ideal rural roads, this Trike ensures you stay comfortable for hours on end. For those who enjoy a tech-savvy ride, the 2026 Gold Wing Trike doesn't disappoint. Honda has upgraded its infotainment system to keep pace with the latest technological advancements. The large, vibrant display is easy to navigate, offering not only GPS navigation but also real-time traffic updates, turn-by-turn directions, and route suggestions based on current road conditions. For riders who appreciate convenience, the integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means that your smartphone can seamlessly connect to the Trike, giving you full access to your apps, contacts, and media without distractions. The sound system, which has been tuned for clarity and richness, makes listening to music or taking calls an enjoyable experience even at highway speeds. The safety features on the 2026 Gold Wing Trike are top-notch, as expected from Honda. Aside from the usual array of ABS braking, traction control, and stability features, the Trike is equipped with Honda's new Hill Start Assist, which helps you take off from a standstill on an incline without worrying about rolling backward. This is particularly useful for riders who might be new to three-wheel bikes, as it adds an extra layer of confidence when starting off on steep roads or inclines. The combination of advanced electronics and the Trike's naturally balanced design gives you peace of mind, knowing that you have control in all types of road conditions. Another notable aspect of the 2026 Gold Wing Trike is its fuel efficiency. Given its size and power, the Trike manages to achieve impressive miles per gallon, thanks to Honda's optimized engine performance and advanced aerodynamics. Whether you're taking a cross-country road trip or making shorter, local rides, you won't find yourself stopping at gas stations every few hours. The efficient fuel consumption ensures that your time on the road is spent enjoying the ride rather than worrying about refueling. As a touring trike, the Gold Wing Trike has ample storage space that is both practical and easily accessible. The saddlebags and rear trunk offer an impressive amount of capacity, allowing riders to pack everything from luggage to camping gear, ensuring that no item is left behind. Even the smaller compartments are intelligently designed, offering a spot for smaller essentials like gloves, sunglasses, or a camera. The trunk is large enough to hold a full-face helmet with ease, while the saddlebag compartments are roomy enough for overnight trips or longer stays. Honda has also kept rider ergonomics in mind when designing the Gold Wing Trike. The adjustable handlebars and foot controls allow for a customized fit, so riders of different heights and preferences can find the most comfortable setup. The handlebars have a precision feel, making the trike not only easy to control but also comfortable to grip during long hours of riding. The seat is generously padded and includes a heated option, ensuring that no matter the weather, you can enjoy a warm, comfortable ride. In terms of reliability, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike continues Honda's tradition of producing durable motorcycles that stand the test of time. The bike is engineered with high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance, even in the harshest of conditions. Honda's reputation for building motorcycles that can handle both the rigors of daily commuting and long, multi-day trips is well earned, and the Gold Wing Trike is no exception. You can trust that this trike will be a dependable companion for years to come, whether you're taking it out for a weekend ride or embarking on a grand touring adventure. Honda has also integrated a suite of intelligent electronics that manage the performance of the Gold Wing Trike, including a sophisticated ride-by-wire throttle system. This system provides smoother throttle transitions and adjusts the engine's response based on the rider's preferences. For example, if you're looking for a more relaxed touring ride, the system can adjust throttle sensitivity to make it easier to glide down the road with less effort. On the other hand, if you're seeking a more dynamic experience, the system can offer sharper throttle response, giving you the freedom to customize your ride. For many, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is more than just a means of transportation, it's a lifestyle choice. With its unbeatable combination of style, performance, comfort, and technology, this trike appeals to a wide range of riders. Whether you're looking to hit the open road with a sense of adventure, explore scenic routes with your loved ones, or simply experience the joy of riding a top-tier trike, the Gold Wing Trike delivers in every category. The 2026 model truly showcases Honda's commitment to innovation and passion for touring motorcycles. It's clear that the Gold Wing Trike is built with the rider in mind, offering an experience that is both exhilarating and comfortable. No matter where your travels take you, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike will be there to ensure you enjoy every mile with maximum enjoyment and minimal hassle. If you're ready to explore the road in a whole new way, this trike is waiting for you. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is the pinnacle of three-wheeled touring motorcycles. With advanced technology, unmatched comfort, and a focus on safety and performance, it's clear that Honda has thought of everything. For those who want a touring experience that's second to none, this is the machine to consider. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and, as always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Motorverse Pro for more amazing reviews and the latest in automotive news. Happy riding, and we'll see you in the next video.